Find an expression for the force that acts on the rope, or that acts on the raft. So for part A, if we want to find our expression, we can write our upward buoyant force in terms of K times delta. So we can say K times delta, or this triangle, which is the sinking amount of the raft's portion of the water, is equal to L squared triangle times PQ. So K is equal to rho L squared times G. So here's our expression. Now for B, find the value of the force constant. So we want to find K, which is equal to, or 1,000, times 2.2 squared times 9.81. So plug that into a calculator. 1,000 times 2.2 squared times 9.81 is 47480.4.